Cooler weather, I think, coming this coming weekend behind another cold front coming. It may not bring the rain that we saw this weekend, which, wasn't all that much, depending on where you were. I tell you, folks at the festival were a little bit lucky because west of Austin, down southwest and south, some places saw 1 to 2 inches of rainfall and some rather heavy thunderstorms, but it seemed like right over the festival grounds there at Zilker Park, maybe 100th or 200ths. It was a patchy, light, sprinkly. Just turned out to be just about ideal, really. If you could choreograph it, that's probably the way you would have planned it out to keep things a little cooler. Now today, we've had a front come through. It's dried the air out, which is why we haven't seen any activity this afternoon. A few showers this morning with the front. 93 degrees is the current temperature. You can see back there lots of sunshine. 85 is our 8 p.m. forecast, and at 10 o'clock tonight, 77 degrees. Out in the hill country right now, upper 80s and low 90s, 91 in Burnett, 91 in Marble Falls. Most of the rain fell out here. We saw some 1-inch totals through parts of Blanco County over into southwestern parts of Hays County. We also saw some 1 to 2 inch totals up in San Saba County. But despite the rain that we saw out here, which was sometimes some really nice amounts, the runoff is very, very little. This is going to have almost no impact on our drought. In fact, I suspect when the new drought status comes out later in the week, we will all still be in the exceptional drought category. The ground just really soaked it up, and so certainly not any help for streams, creeks, rivers, lakes. Low 90s metro area right now and low 90s in our eastern counties. These are all current temperatures. It's officially 93 in Austin. Humidity back down to 26% after a pretty moist weekend. 92 at ABIA and mostly clear. We have 6 to 10 mile-per-hour winds, and we have a sunset time of 7:30 tonight. Because of the moisture this weekend, the molds are in the high category at 1,721, just 11 on the ragweed count. Pretty similar numbers expected tomorrow. Dallas at 87, Houston at 84, San Antonio at 93. That front has moved on down to the Texas coast with a dry northerly wind behind it, so we'll continue to be dry for the next couple of days. Future clouds and radar keeping us mostly clear and sunny. We'll have another front moving into the Panhandle Wednesday afternoon. That front will slide down here on Thursday. So between now and then, mornings will be nice, but the afternoons are still going to be a little bit on the hot side. Just no 100-degree weather. We may be done with that for good. No rain expected through at least Wednesday. When that front gets down here on Thursday, we'll have a slight chance for a few rain showers. Not much going on out here in the tropics. There is one disturbance here, about a 60% chance of development, but it's 1,000 miles east right now of the Lesser Antilles, so a lot of time to watch it. Not concerned about anything in the near term. And you know what? The later we get into September and October, the less likely it is that we would see a Texas landfall of a tropical storm or a hurricane anyway. They tend to turn away from us in the next couple of weeks climatologically. Low mid-60s. There are your lows in the morning. Nice. First thing in the morning. We'll notice the front in the morning. Then tomorrow afternoon, pretty warm. Low 90s. In Austin tonight, clear. 64 for the low with a north wind at 5 to 10. Tomorrow, at least 92. Mostly sunny skies. On the 7-day forecast, mostly sunny on Wednesday. About the same. Nice morning. Kind of hot in the afternoon. Thursday, that front comes in. About a 20% chance that it could bring a rain shower. Should keep us in the 80s maybe for 2 days. Friday, the first day of autumn. And it might actually feel like it. Back to the low 90s this coming weekend. Mostly dry.